This video showing how I set up my scope. This one's brand new. It's a Hawk Vantage 41650 with side parallax illuminated reticle. Brought it out here, put it in the, what do you call it, rack stand, vice thing. Then put on the bottom mounts, fix those. Then get the level, put the level on the rail, get it level. Then put the scope on and fix down the top of the mounts. Don't have to be too tight, because all I'm going to do is 20 yards, put a mark, just to dot anything but somewhere you know you're going to continually shoot at. Fire one pellet at it. Doesn't matter where it goes, just fire a pellet at it and see where it goes. Because these things are set optimal zeroed at the factory. So just fire a pellet at a marked point. Then take the tops off and take the mounts off and put the back one at the front and the front one at the back. And do exactly the same, level as possible, that level as possible. Fire another pellet at the same place and see where that goes. Then take it off. I know it sounds like a ball ache, but trust me, it's worth it. Then turn the mounts around and do the same, and then switch them over and do the same. And what you're looking for is the one, not necessarily this what do you call it? Your up and down, your elevation, but your windage is closest to what you've been aiming at. Now it turned out that the very first mount setting I had it on was the closest, because once I had everything all set up, I then shot it out to 30 yards, and what's that, it was 15 clicks on the elevation, and what's that on the windage, where are we, and 7 clicks left on the windage. That's all I had to adjust it. Almost one of the other mount settings, it was miles off. It would have been loads of clicks out. And so this is the best way to find out, to set your scope up and use minimal clicks to get it on a zero. So once you've done that and you've decided which is the best mount for you, then I use one of these, because you can't put that level on the rail obviously. So this thing here, it comes apart, and then there's like a rubber band which has fallen on the floor. There we go. That rubber band hooks on there, goes underneath your rifle onto there, and that sits on there, and then you can see by the bubble whether it's level. So then you get that dead level. Then, like I say, 30 yards away, it's just starting to rain, I put on top of there is a spirit level. So now you know your gun is absolutely level. The mounts on the top of your scope, they've been loosened off. And let me have a look through here. I don't know if you can see, but then yeah, you get that down till it's smack bang on the top, and then you tighten up. Whoop. Now when you tighten up, don't use that your Allen key, because you get a hell of a lot of torque on it. use that part of the Allen key, and I do that one until it stops, that one until it stops, that one until it stops, that one until it stops. Repeat over this side, then come back to here, and then do it a bit more, just enough so you can feel it binding, and just keep doing that until they won't do up anymore. Don't over tighten them. You don't want to be bending your, well, don't want to be going nuts. And yeah, then that should be pretty much spot on. Obviously check it to make sure you're comfortable with it. Yeah, well, that's how I do it anyway, and I set this up 3 days ago and it's spot on. So there you go. If you like the video, leave a comment. If you got anything to add or whatever, then yeah, cheers then, bye.